Hi, my name is Ibrahim Jackson, the founder and CEO of Ubiquitous Preferred Services. We're a minority-owned company that attracts and develops talent. In this rapidly changing, technology-driven world, many businesses need help to enhance their employees' skills and adapt to new challenges. That's where we come in. We offer training, coaching, and consulting services to empower your workforce. Our expertise lies in 4 key areas: being digitally savvy, having strong business acumen, mastering interpersonal skills, and making a social impact. We take a holistic approach considering your entire ecosystem, your people, technology, and market. We aim to create a culture of inclusivity and success so your organization can be more profitable, productive, innovative, and creative.